Welcome back, artists. I'm Wyatt Paints, and today is Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. And it's my 5th channel vlog. And you know what? The first thing we're going to say? 600 subs. 600 subs. I'm floored. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everybody subbing. Really, it's popping. It's popping. It's popping. It's pop. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I'm so grateful everybody's digging my content, and I hope you guys continue to dig the content that I'm putting out in the next few weeks and days. It's been a wild ride, and it's going to continue to be a wild ride. Let's go. Second, as you can see, we've got a new filming space. I'm still in the same place. I just moved my camera and everything to a different side of the room so I get to stand up and move my arms a little bit, and so I don't feel so constrained, because I was doing everything at the computer, and it was like I was starting to barnacle and live at my computer, so I wanted to break it up and move other places. So I got the new location, and here it's kind of cool. It's good to see some of the stuff we've done in the past and get a little eye full of different things I've got going on. Of course, you can see the wall of nudes over here, all the different nudes. I love my nudes. Next, you can also see a couple of sneak previews of some projects we're going to have in the future. Right here is Ben Grimm sitting in as the centerpiece of a Fantastic Four diorama that's going to be coming soon. It's most likely going to be multiple ports, so be ready for that. Be ready for that. Over here, we got the angriest little meatball of MODOK, original MODOK. I can't believe what they did to my boy MODOK. Oh, I can't believe Disney. What'd you do to my boy MODOK? But we got OG MODOK, so we're gonna right wrongs. That's the good. That's the good. Just to let you guys know, I'm gonna be starting up a new video series on this channel that's gonna be focusing more heavily on FDM prints, because I've been printing on it like crazy. I finally cracked FDM printing because I was kind of backwards. I started with resin printing, and then I got into FDM printing, and there was a whole different headache. But now I got it. I'm being printed out some crazy stuff. So on this new series, I'm going to try to focus on bigger, more involved projects that are like multi-day prints and a bit more involved. So I hope you enjoy, but they're going to be slow going. But when they do come out, I hope you enjoy them. So what has been going on lately? I've been a little bit slow. I know I haven't put out a video in a couple of weeks. It's just because I've been dealing with an injury, plus doing a commission while I'm injured. It's kind of hard. I'll try to explain. So like on the last COVID booster I got, I apparently got it in a weird space, and it's caused some like scarring in my muscle. So like turning my arm like this is kind of painful. It's kind of painful to hold my arm up like that. It kind of sucks, and sometimes I'll be like sitting there, I'll get a spasm in my arm, and it's the worst. It is just the worst. So painting has been a lot slower, just because when I'm painting with this hand, I'm usually bracing with my other hand, and that gets painful after a while. So I've had to slow down my printing and my painting, but hopefully it's starting to get better, and just a lot more physical therapy, stretching, whatnot. What I did paint is here. I'll put up a picture. That's a Crypt Keeper. Be ready for a video on him soon. I'm probably going to be editing that video while you're watching this video, so it's going to happen soon. After that, what do I got coming? I got some FDM print projects coming. I've got MODOK and the Fantastic Four, so all of them, Mr. Fantastic, Lady Fantastic, the fire guy. I know it is. What else I got? Just a lot of cool stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And, you know, for the awesome few that do it, thank you so much for liking the videos as well. Also, I'd like to put out there, I really appreciate the comments. I do read them. I try to respond to absolutely everybody. And anytime I get an idea from somebody, it definitely goes up in the old noggin, and usually it comes out somewhere. Either way, I hope everybody's having happy holidays. And as a special holiday goodbye, happy holidays. Love your family, love yourself. Be kind. Thanks for watching. Stay creative. And always enjoy the process. Peace. Wyatt's Sexy Nudes. Today's sexy noodle, spicy chicken curry from Samyang. This Korean-style spicy premium noodle wants to hurt me, and judging from our fire chicken friend Hochi, it's just gonna happen, so I gotta deal with it. Inside, you'll find a standard noodle cake, a small pack of dehydrated veg called flake, and a spicy curry pack. If you want this less spicy, you could use less, but I got my big boy pants, so I'm gonna use it all. Now, if you really want to get this ramen kicking, this is what you gotta do. Cook your noodles in boiling water as usual. After 2 minutes, your noodle cake should be separated. Continue cooking for about 90 seconds. You want the noodles to be loose, but with semi-stiff curls. Then we're going to put a skillet on medium heat. Add a small amount of butter, a half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of cumin, the flake packet, and the curry sauce. And of course, our par-cooked noodles. Then add just a splash of the cooking water to help mix everything in. Cook this for 2 minutes or until all the excess water has been absorbed. Now these are some sexy noodles. Are they good? Oh yeah, they're good, but they'll make you pay for it with punishment. I'm not going to go into details, but I'll say this. Spicy in, spicy out. So, there's your fair warning. Make your own choice. Oh, God. Oh, it hurts good. It hurts good. It hurts good. Oh.